Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought about reviewing another product that I have bought specifically for my car, but it's a multi-purpose product which can be kept for multiple different utilization even in home or some other areas where you want to keep out damp or weather prone infections out. Okay, so this product is from a company called Fresh Wind, okay, or Fresh Wind. It's basically a activated charcoal bag. Okay, it's a jute cotton bag. Inside it you get basic charcoal. Okay, now I bought this product from Amazon. It costed me somewhere around 300 rupees, little less than that. And they say you can actually keep it in your wardrobe, your kitchen, your bedroom, your toilet, or inside your car. Now, why I chose this to keep inside my car? Because it actually keeps out the moistures that causes damp. Nowadays, if you're buying a car, high-end models or few of the features includes leather wrapped steerings or leather seats. Now you might notice during rainy seasons, it's always very humid, right? And you're getting inside, outside the car, you carry some sort of waters or muds with your shoes, with your wet hand, or with your umbrella, and that causes white particular formation around leather wrap steering or around the seats. That's basically coming because of the moisture. So this charcoal bag will prevent you from having those inside your car. These are common in your wardrobe also, or places where you keep your humid clothes, like the one that you wear and you got so much of sweat, you just kept it kept it for hanging to dry it out. You will realize there's some form of moisture formation happening. Okay, so this charcoal actually absorbs all those moisture or excess moisture and keeps out the damp or moisture related uh, I would say infections or diseases. Okay, so it controls in the form of odor. So as because this is charcoal, this is actually odor free. So you don't get a perfume, right? You buy a charcoal which absorbs basic odors. Okay, it keeps out pollens or pollutants. It keeps out excess moisture. That's the basic purpose for my for me buying this and keeping inside my car. And it is also known to reduce allergens and many more moisture related particles. Okay, now it comes in multiple different sizes: 100 gram, 200 gram, 500 gram. For my car, I thought of trying out with 200 gram. This is a 200 gram packet, good enough size, not too small, not too big. I in my EcoSport, I think it's convenient. I have been using this for almost around 40 days, I would say more than a month. Okay, and I bought it in July. It was monsoon and it was a new car, so I was pretty much worried about fungus formation in the steerings or the leather areas. Okay, so I bought it, and very honest review, guys, this does the job very well. You don't get a perfume, but you do keep out the moisture related particles out. Okay, I never had any smell. I don't I'm not a heavy driver as of now in the lockdown period, but I do use my vehicle every day. Okay, so getting in and out in rain with wet umbrella, with wet shoes, wet hand was very common. Okay, but trust me, no odor, no nothing. It does the job very well. Okay, it's called activated charcoal, and it says place in direct sunlight once a month to rejuvenate. So basically what happens is, like, if you keep it in direct sunlight for 1 hour 2 hour, it will actually dry out, and so it increases the moisture absorption capacity. Now one more thing I want to demonstrate, it is actually pure charcoal, so it's a jute bag. I'm going to use a white paper. If I gonna dust it, okay, you will see black charcoal particles. I don't know if you can see it. black charcoal particles coming outside of the bag. So it's pure charcoal, activated or not, I don't know, but that doesn't matter. Charcoal is really helpful. It's a known remedy for keeping out moisture. I hope my review helped you guys. I have been using it, so that's my honest review and my take on the product itself. It's available in Amazon and Flipkart. You guys can try it out and check. I bought it from Amazon. Again, the price was somewhere around 299 or like little less than 300. Let's see. I'm gonna make a few more videos on other car accessories that I've bought and have been using happily. Okay. Until that, thank you guys. Stay safe. Stay healthy.